Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed medical university of India. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Allied Health Master Courses Admissions 2025 will be given. So information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Allied Health Master Courses Admissions 2025. In Allied Health Sciences courses, available courses, its important dates, entrance exam pattern and syllabus, and other important information will be discussed in this video. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other allied health sciences courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is information bulletin. Christian Medical College Vellore, India, not to be ministered unto but to minister. Information bulletin, Allied Health Master Courses Admissions 2025. Address is the Registrar, Christian Medical College Vellore, 632002, Tamil Nadu, India. These are the phone numbers and regular working hours. Monday to Friday 8 am to 5 pm. Saturday 8 am to 12 noon. Email registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in. Website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. This is the information for applications are invited for the MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, Master of Public Health, Fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2025. First courses available, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats, open, minority network, duration, fees, approximate, admission year, other years. So first code is 145, course Master of Hospital Administration MHA, educational eligibility, MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BNYS, BUMS, BSMS or BE, Biomedical Engineering, BTech, Biotechnology or BSc Nursing, B Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BPT or BBA, and BHA in Hospital Administration or BSc Allied Health Sciences any, or BSc Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology. Entrance exam paper, non-science, number of seats, open 5, minority network 5, duration 2 year, fees approximate, admission year 82,290, other years 80,350. Next course is code is 306. Program is fellowship in antimicrobial stewardship for clinical pharmacist. Eligibility Pharma D, Doctor of Pharmacy. Entrance exam paper special. Duration, its duration is 1 year. Seats are 1. For open, minority network 1, duration 1 year. Admission year fees 25,665. Next course is Fellowship in Hospital Quality Management. Eligibility is MBA, MHA, PG, D, HA, BE, MBBS, BDS, any graduation in medical or paramedical courses. Entrance exam paper special. Number of seats open 6, minority network 6, duration 1 year, fees 55,932. Next courses MSc Pulmonology, Epidemiology, eligibility MBBS, BDS, MPharm, MSc Nursing, Biostatistics, Statistics, Nutrition, Biochemistry, Anatomy, Physiology, Pharmacology, Microbiology and other medical related MSc, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, BMS, BUMS, BHMS, BSMS, MPT, MOT, MPH. Entrance exam paper special. Seats are open networks 4, minority network 4, duration 2 years, admission year fees 38,530, second year other year fees 22,370. Next course is MSc Biostatistics, eligibility BSc Statistics as main branch or BSc degree in any subject with statistics as ancillary allied. Entrance exam paper special. Available number of seats open 4, minority network 4, duration 2 years, fees admission year 37,530, other year 20,870. Next code is 405, course MSc Medical Physics, eligibility BSc Physics with Mathematics as one of the ancillary subject in regular study. Entrance exam paper special. Number of seats open 2, minority network 3, duration 2 years plus 1 year internship, fees approximate admission year 41,470, other year 27,370. Next code is 406, MPH, program is MPH, Master of Public Health, eligibility MBBS, BDS, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduates in Statistics, Biostatistics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. Entrance exam paper special. Number of seats open 7, minority network 8, duration 2 years, fees admission year 94,910, other year 45,590. Next course is MSc Clinical Nutrition, program is MSc Clinical Nutrition, eligibility BSc Nutrition, Dietetics and Food Service Management, BSc in Food Science and Nutrition, BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, BS Food Service Management and Dietetics, BSc Home Science with majors in Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Human Science with majors in Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Clinical Nutrition with majors in Nutrition and Dietetics. Entrance exam paper special. Seats open network 2, minority network 3, duration 2 years plus 6 months, residential experience, internship, course fees admission year 36,005, other year 22,370. Next course is MSc Nuclear Medicine Technology, eligibility BSc in Nuclear Medicine Technology or BSc in Science subject with PG, D, NMT, DMRIT. Entrance exam paper special. Available number of seats open 1, minority network 1, duration 2 years, course fee admission year 41,470, other year 27,370. Next course is MSc Bioethics, eligibility MBBS, MSc Nursing, MOT, MPT, BDS, Ayush bachelor degree. Entrance exam paper special. Seats admission year, seats open network 1, minority network 1, duration 2 years, fees 41,330. Candidates who have completed their undergraduate courses at CMC Vellore and are currently undergoing service obligation and may furnish a letter stating the same with the expected date of completion. Candidates with service obligation will need to have completed the same by 30th August 2025. Accommodation for MSc Biostatistics, Epidemiology and Medical Physics candidates is subject to availability If available, preference will be given to women candidates. Accommodation is not provided for MHA, MPH and fellowship courses. Admission timetable 2025. So these are the important dates. 11th of February 2025, application can be accessed online. Last date for some application with the fee payment 20th of March 2025. So these are the important dates. And these are the entrance exam center information. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified as at the following cities. This is the information for computer based test. Step 1. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. Cities are Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharmapuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Thiruvananthamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupatpur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram. The non-science paper for Group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability 90 questions. Special paper, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidate has applied 90 questions. All the tests will be conducted in English. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Allied Health Sciences 2025 admissions has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.